guys, I understand this video might be a bit more off notes than any other ones. Partially because this is more a mental note for myself in the future. I'm really terrible about writing things down. I just want to make a mental note of the thought process that I'm still having at this point in time, so it might lead somewhere else, I really don't know. But, so, what I think might be happening here, so physics complicates things to an extreme. Although we need that complication, we hit certain things on the button, I think there might be a universal equation which will be simple in its construction, and which honestly you'll be able to do, be able to see. And people in the future go, why didn't they think of that? It's so simple. Why couldn't they learn about when we learned about in school? Now I'm just wondering, what could the simple equation which resolves every function of everything links up, and the means by which it does link up is very interesting. It's an energetic scale, which means if you could somehow figure out the energy scale, write an equation on how all energy works in one form, and then have it be able to be converted like a chemist, sort of. My brain's doing all kinds of weird things here, so you'll have to forgive me. Small mental note for myself, anything else. Although, information is meant to be shared, guys, so I'm sharing it all. But if we figure out the energy level, and this is a hypothesis, this is not proven, if we were to figure out the energy level by which things work on an energy-based scale, figure out how everything else works in every matter is, we discovered dark matter, we discovered all that, but if that was a part of something that was also energy scale, not moving, then couldn't that be calculated as well? Couldn't everything be proven now? So how would you write this equation? Certainly isn't equal E equals mc squared, although a great equation is only a part of it. If our gravity plays a part, then we get into dimensional physics. That gets complicated. But yet it seems like there's something that's just staring me in the face that should be so simple. Yeah, no one's thinking it. Alright guys, very food for thought. If you finish watching the video, good job, because this is just kind of me putting down mental notes. I'll probably write something down in my notebook, but guys, give me comments or anything on what your thought processes are on this. I'm trying to just kind of sort my brain through a problem right now. I'll probably spend the next month sorting through it and then seeing if I can go any further with it. If I can't, I'll put it on hold and do research for later. But what I'm just talking about was universal equation. This is what Einstein was trying to write at the end of his life. The greatest minds ever. He was trying to write a universal equation on how everything should work. In the terms of physics. And it's really hard to do. And it feels like once you finally do this huge long string math, you'll reduce it down only to a small number. A small number A small equation would be everything, and how to calculate everything, its movement, its path, its direction, its timescale, everything. Boom. And it'll be like 4 or 5 variables. Plug it in and you sort it out, there you go. But the problem is finding that blasted equation. E equals mc squared, originally, the full equation is huge. But equals mc squared is actually small in the size of it for just practical calculations. It's very interesting having to wrap your brain around things. I'll work it out one of these days. Or my head will explode. Either one. Maybe it'll explode on camera. Hopefully it stops. Anyway, peace, love, and happiness. See ya.